My name is Marie. I have a macular pucker. I'd never heard of a macular pucker until August. And when I went to the regular doctor, he wanted to rearrange my eyeball. Well, that scared me to death. I did not want to go that route. So I did research and prayer to find Dr. Kondrot on the internet. And I did the research on what he could do for my pucker versus what the surgeon wanted to do. So I tried the home program and made some improvements. And then I've come to the full program and have made a lot more improvements. And I'm very pleased with how my eye is improving. And I look forward to regaining the clarity of my eye and for my pucker to go down without surgery and without toxic medicine, because I do believe that those things are very poisonous to the body, and I do not like those poisons, being put in my body. I prefer to work the natural way, the way God has designed our bodies to work. I prefer to have things healed that way.